Uhuru Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yegakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagakora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende kensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asa mabati aliaye chigage emerongibire na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe gwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyaraka bo gutumika chinga gicho gwakiranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyareka bogo kwerera amabati yo akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucuri go busongo iyo erangene neduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbwata hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa eh? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza dogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi huko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Wairire buyanainde omwanchwa omuri wa Getembe TV ekini Ekeonga Chinsa Inye butuko bwiri tukorea Jumamosi tariki 31 mutinyo gatano mwaka bwechiri 2025 nchengoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga havira kariri kuri studio akawe nera gonkonya kwanike bina chibichechi na marongo ikirachira senchira ere yobo ikirankege makabana into goika omwario. Mokonyi bomurai wensi ya Kenya omoske Profesa Kithure Kindiki nigo aenekeire abakenya gochigokorerwa amagendero eyemagega ya barai bechi county nabo ige serikali nene gochia kobwaterana gokorana korwa ase bunge ya machoge bora we county ya Kisii kokwana korwa ase bunge ya machoge chache county ya Kisii nigo moske Kindiki atebire nigo osiniga aigireire ogochangerwa gochi kanisa eyemagega yere koika ansemeyo erikora umurobire bogo sira chikanisa ase ebunge yo.
Nase bunge ya machoge chache ase county ya Kisii ase litkulia lero mokonyi bumurai wense Profesa Kithure Kindiki ara umaiga bogosira chikanise merongene uyikirenwa na barai au higati ya bumo speaker we bunge nene Moses Wetangula mobunge Silvanus Osoro kurwa South Mogirango moskejero shamumanyi umoske Donya Dori Saburi kurwa se county ya Kisii moske esi ukenyuri omoseneta omochore gati ya barai banda bange uyu aliganiwa na mubunge wense meiga moske Alpha Meruka ase kiribuna omwego yo nigolenge wechikanisa chinga kichinyinge nigocheirwa asa marandia. God will remove anybody corrupt amasabo na samatera ukwana chinga kecho Kindiki nigakwanero kugania kugosira chinsemo au chigosasimira boigo yikali gati ya barai abwateba baorokirie mbwembwe yo kuburukania siasa nechikanisa.
Tuko hapa kwa sababu tunaamini kazi ambayo kanisa inafanya ni kazi nzuri ya kutusaidia sisi zote wananchi, viongozi, tuishi maisha mazuri, tuachane na maovu, tushughulikie taifa letu na tupendane, makabila yote na watu wote tupendane, tuwe kitu kimoja.
Kabere nigene kia gocho kugendera kubwaterana na bubwateni au ilio koene kibuna ense ya Kenya ya sukire bosio kemagendero.
Nikisaidia rais, that is my job, to make sure every part of the country government is represented and we work with the local leaders to make sure that we support one another as brothers and sisters, citizens of one great country called Kenya.
Speaker we bunge asense moya nigagikeria siasa choko bagana ba Kenya na buna ondeta yoro monene kubwa richi kaiga Kenya.
Lazima to preach the unity of our country. Kama Mkenya yeyote popote alipo lazima tumupe nafasi kujivunia kuwa Mkenya kuliko kujifanya ati sisi ndio superior. There is no superior community in this country and there are no superior people in this country.
Osoro na barai bande nigo barolekana komo mochio kabiro mokonyi murai wense umoske Rigathi Gachagua asogo chakia siasa cha mapema engana boigo abarai bande babwatesia na kubolia bamenyi korwa sensemeyo kogendera komubwatesia umoske Ruto elikirenerie abakenya chira chingage chiga hara service.
Hata ukiangalia ni wale watu ambao wote wamepoteza kazi. Yule former deputy president alikuwa impeached, hawezi simama. Yule mwingine mwenye alikuwa anaongea alifutwa na rais juzi. Huyu mwingine alikuwa analeta mbolea ya fake. Akiwa minister of agriculture. Niliona jana wakiwa hapo wakiongea matop. Niliona kwanza mimic the deputy president of the Republic of Kenya, Profesa Kithure Kindiki. Wakianza kusema ati anaongea sauti ndogo, sijui nini. Nyinyi wanaume wazima, muna haja nini na mwanaume mwingine? Kwani nyinyi sio straight? Why are you talking about the formation and the making of another man?
Makanisa zetu zikwe mwe ama namna gani? Leo Master of Ceremony mwenye alikuwa hapa ameita wajane na nimeona wajane ni wengi sana. Tafadhali watu wetu tuheshimu wajane, tusiwadhulumu, na hii serikali yetu ya William Samoei Ruto wajumbe mumeona wajane ni wengi, tuweke vitu zinasaidia wajane maana wajane ni wengi.
Toko yenye kanisa na ndibatu sanere unafanya siasa wamanye tena ndiko kutana na igoro mwatire ndiko saberwe.
Sasa nyinyi mko ndani ya serikali ama mko nje? Kule kwetu mimi nasikia wakisema
Wakati hapa tumeleta taarabu hapa Kisii, Mheshimiwa Alpha, nasikia kuna karedio kengine kama we mawili pia nako kanaanza ngorota. Sijui kama mnanielewa. Mnanielewa ndugu zangu wa Kisii? Wakati tuna taarabu ambayo inagonga na kila mtu anasema hiyo ndio ngoma, Kisii muna karedio kenu kama we mawili ati nako kanataka kutumbuiza. Jameni, karedio haka katafika Kwale kweli? Ndugu yangu, tambie nini ukweli? Hata kama tunapenda nyimbo zetu za kienyeji, hata kama tunapenda watu wetu, lakini karedio haka kenu kama we mawili katafika Kwale? Katafika Kilifi? Simjiunge na Wakenya wengine tuchezeni taarabu ambayo ni ya Daktari William Samoei Ruto.
Mheshimiwa Speaker, nataka kukushukuru for your efforts ya kuhakikisha sisi kama jamii ya Wakisii tuko katika hii serikali. Wewe umekuwa mstari ya mbele kusukuma Rais William Ruto kuhakikisha sisi kama jamii ya Abagusi tuko kwa hii serikali.
Nkurumathire Getaseni kia Getembe kurwase kaunti ya Kisii litere nguru kwa Daniel Untiri.
Abanyakirogo bechikanisa chia ELCK kore kaunti ya Nyamira ritukuria rero nigo basoka na kwimurunganiria oburayo bobe ase kanisa iyo egento keireire ogwatananeka ase abakristo gukwana omugasorero nigo bateba obochori bwabete bokorekana omwaka oyuta na kyo keireire ogoturubana ase kanisa iyo buna fatika December agotomanya asorobotrwaye.
Abanyakirogo bechikanisa cha ELCK korwase kaunti ya Nyamira bachire amo na kwimurunganiria oborai obobe bwabarai abanene be kanisa ejiga engana ya retire ogwatanikana gati yabo.
Msare Stephen Nyakariga Mesa. I'm a member of Diocesan Council Kerenyo Palace in Nyamira Diocese, which adds up to 32 parishes. Church of Congregations of Evangelical Lutheran Church in Kenya want to express our worry in the way our Bishop Joseph Omoro Chora is leading our church. It is indeed disappointing that our Archbishop is not leading our church with the word of love as taught in the Bible. Instead, he appears to read by flesh. The leadership of Archbishop Joseph Omoro Chora has shown discrimination and partiality and has turned to be a dictator and a tyrant, just like in secular leadership.
Nche kanisa ya nenke nensoko tutigane na mangana ya yoko nyagososana ukabira ya soire kanisa ime ugiye kwera ukabire go soire kanisa ime na itura abantu banya sai tura abantu abamo twasoroire nande twasoroire bali bagenderete gososana nga ninche episo gwiriga into episo yeito twachorete na bwate palises kinyingi no yondo komubwatia nere chi ayenjiro na chimanyite nirenga bwate.
Aiga nigo batebire obwanjani na boigo obomo bwechikanisa echiga nigo bwachagete guturubana ekero obochori bwabarai abanene butakoretwe ase nchira yekene na boigo obwasioku omwaka oita eng'ana yabetereretie barabwo gwikia ekina ase kigambero ekyo kiarigetie kwamireria enchira obochori oboiga bwakoretwe na maega yaye ekine keiga nigo kiarusetiwe ase kigambero maega Chinsa machonsi ibere kuigwana enchira barabwatirane korende rero nigo batebire kuigwana okwo tibanya kugoikirania naigo bagosereirie gochia kogenda ase kigambero nainde erio kobeka ekina
bachori borio gwakoretwe mutinyu gatana omwaka oria ebikaranso byekaransi gocha ase nyone bine byabegetu kotini byachite bagacha bakaigwana nga buyapi gutwara omorembe kero baomerana ere chi bishop ki aritayire bagaka baritayire barenge chi pastor na pastor bensi bakaomerana Nyamira na Matongo ase bachite ne resolution yokurusiki na kotini ase bensi basaineti ochora aro yo mogo nga ebina birusu kotini erinde ogochorwa gokorwe upia tonyore kiongozi geitabire abantu bensi
egento twagundwire obobisi boria Bishop Ochora abwate bono iga mboria na igatagete chinga kya koritaya abeke omuntu oye ovisi buna abege tu aterege tu oronto agetikura na bono nereta akirikura na no muntu natete kobeka atagete totuomane buna gusi
ensemo yende nigo batebire buna eniboye kanisa eyeiga nigo etari gutumikwa asenjira enkia amo na barai babo abanene naigo baganirie diocese ya Nyamira kwegwari bagario gwetenenera
ase amali eto anyamira arengete gusira ekanisa yaito ya Nyamira ngima sobo bwagare yasari wasengencho yokobaganwa na kubomono mu Archbishop kubagana na gochora aba bishop abange na bande bagochorwa asenjera yo bututukano etamanyiri ntwe buna abatorense yo mu bishop andongondo abanyabirogo tuagira amasengencho bataba tobi watana amaboko asowa jechikanisa jeto na kubomono bateyo mu Archbishop asike amali are Nyamira na gotiga roro na kubomono agache jechikanisa jeto cha Nyamira.
Hingo ripotera Getembe kurwa Chinsa mechiga cha Ekerenyo egegotoka imeye bunge ya North Mugirange County ya Nyamira Nchefatigad Gisemba
aborokigwa abakoro b'eskuru y'abamura ya Cardinal Otunga Mosocho ritukore rero nigo bamurana ase skuru yo ariko umugora enyomba y'emisangiriro kano bakorawo na Dr. Enokondari nigo bateba mbache kogendera bakomirana ase skuru yo anana mono kitariki bune chiga mutenye buno yega kero mwaka bunenchera yamo yokoro esege togo chiase aborokigwa abari birasi byamagega boniga chinge kicho nigo mwarimu monene bw'eskuru yo gose principal Ezekiel Okeyo agokera egetambo
The senior principal at Otunga Boys High School. We are here today to launch the alumni day, particularly the hobbies. And we want to say that as Cardinal, we have got a rich network in terms of the old boys. As a school, we have made a deliberate decision that we bring all of them together so that they can be here to measure and role model our boys who are in school currently.
Thank you. My name is Dr. Enokondari, an old boy of this school, this great school, Otunga High School, Mosocho. As an alumnus of this school, I'm proud and happy to be associated with this school and back here after more than 30 years. I left in 1993. And we are here to encourage our students and encourage our parents who have students in this school that this school is great and we are going to make it great again.
I take great pride to see my friends, my former students, my former schoolmates organizing an event like this one where we have basically been talking to the students, trying to nurture them so that this school maintains its glory that was known and continues performing very well, continues to produce the great leaders and managers in various sectors of this country.
And I'm also aware that their efforts that they have made by being present here today, we have had a number of activities since morning, which have been very much good. They have touched many of our boys, and as we move forward, we are going to strengthen our alumni, and we have made a commitment that the members of the alumni are going to adopt one boy here in school so that they can be able to journey with them in terms of mentoring them, forming them, that at the end of the day, we are able to produce boys who are responsible and at the same time ready to serve the nation at large.
In Cardinal, you are admitted as a boy, but you live as a man. This is the right place, and we encourage any other parent or any person that has a child to bring him to the next level. Cardinal is the place.
Murai wense ya Kenya maske Daktari Samuel Ruto no murai wense ya Zilofena ritukoria rero nigo babika okoigwana gwichinsemo echio baranyare kubwatirana gachichi serikali chechinse echo ibere okwana korwase nyomba yobora ya State House Ruto nigo airera chinsemecho asaboigo murai yoyunere akwanira obuyabo gosimeka emete na gotogia ekerenga kimurai wense gyokogendera kora obusimeki bwemete mense ya Kenya
and escalate the benefits of the Kenya-European Economic Partnership Agreement, which came into force in July 2024, and we look forward to Slovenia's support in raising awareness among our businesses to improve access to the European Union. Slovenia's global leadership in sustainable apiculture and digital governance serves as an inspiration to Kenya, and we are excited to enhance our collaboration in smart farming technologies. And I told you, Madam President, that I am a farmer. And value addition in apiculture. We have agreed to build on the ongoing collaboration in Mandera County's beekeeping project and to scale it up to other regions, thereby contributing to biodiversity conservation, job creation, and food security. In the area of digital transformation, Slovenia's advancement in e-government, smart infrastructure, and data protection aligns with Kenya's ambition to become Africa's digital innovation hub. And we look forward to partnering in areas such as artificial intelligence, digital identity systems, cybersecurity, and emerging technologies to strengthen our digital economy. During our discussions, we also addressed our shared priorities in the health sector. And I want to thank you, Madam President, for offering that Kenya can learn from your distinguished institutions on matters to do with e-health and what we can do to leverage on technology in health provision and commodities management as we work on Kenya's universal health coverage plan.
Your president mentioned the conflicts that you do have here in Africa. We of course also discussed the problems, the conflicts that we have in Europe and in Middle East. The war between Russia and Ukraine, you know, the Palestine issue, the humanitarian crisis in Gaza. So this is what we have to discuss. We have to be open in dialogue, and we have to all try and strive to find solutions. This is your president's wish, and this is my wish. And so I know that environment is also very close to your heart. And we had a wonderful discussion about what's at stake, and we have to remain green at our hearts. Your project to build 15 billion trees, I can only applaud and say thank you for that, because you're not doing this only for Kenya. You're doing it for the whole planet, and that's what we have to realize. And we are going to meet each other at the COP30 in Brazil as well to discuss the climate crisis and climate change. So this is what our two countries are all about. And
Kamati yerichiko ase bunge ritukuria rero nigo yaunengia abantu batano na babere abo bachoretwe no muraibu ense gochakora ekiombe kirikyo bochorine chimbebe kia IEBC batano na babere abunga mona edung ethekon oyo ochoretwe koba oso yo choretwe achikoba omunyakirogo ase kiombe kyo.
I, Erastus Edung Ethekon, do swear that the information I shall give before this committee on the matter under its consideration shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Will you confirm to Kenyans that you have actually the spine to be in this office, which is a boiling room?
Thank you, Honorable Chair, through Honorable Chair. I think the context within which I brought that is to demonstrate to this House and Kenyans that ordinary Kenyans are concerned about the type of a person who should supervise the elections, who should facilitate their transparent, peaceful, credible, transparent elections. Which is why, looking at even the various people who are out there, they thought, I am untainted, I am qualified, and from our conversations, they felt I'm passionate enough to go for this position. And I would want to assure this House that those values that I bring and my commitment, that is what I bring to this House. And no office.
And the spine?
I have focused my life on public service and giving back to the community and to my country. It is at Sare that we were taught that at some point, this generation of ours will have to bear the weight of government in our shoulders. And in doing that, we must be guided by justice, zeal, and care.
Number one, my hard work, because I'm usually focused. I want to do the right thing. I work hard. I work beyond my time. If you give me an assignment, I'll do even beyond what you told me to do. That has been my philosophy, the philosophy of excellence.
And we get this exercise through before we are time-bound, then something will be done. But I'm aware that there is active litigation out there. So we are not sure what time this may be settled. If we go beyond, because the Constitution says
Rongevire na inye chiabutokire igoro yobotuko boiga bwa Jumamosi na nene mono Chinsa inye chibotuko boiga wikiraga abo nongo chwikire mwaere umurobere Ekeonga asenchera yoboikira ne tumera neri tokoria ange gose omotenyonde korende ase egekagitare Getembe ndo chebuna DJ Ris na boiga wiza ngwikabare ime yemesa anene bacha koretera umurobere o weekend jam kenda gotwara buri borobya wego ke bwesemi na boigo wimanye tumera neri tokoria ange.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo enkare eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokora mirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende kensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asinigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati aliaye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumu chuligo busongo eyuerange ne duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere ange ne bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra sete namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Uru na bwata.